Hello friends, welcome to my channel lettersbyaaru. Today we are going to create Lippan Art. Watch the video till the end so you will never miss all the tips and tricks that I share in this video. We are using Fevicryl molded clay and Pond's powder. Fevicol to stick, and first we mix harder and resin that comes in the clay pack in equal amount. Then we make thin long strips. If you are beginner, use sponge so that strips are properly made. We also use little bit Pond's powder so that it will not stick on our hands, and then we stick on the design. Once it is completed, we will paint it with different colors of our choice, and then we paint white color to highlight the outline. And then we stick different mirror of our choice with a Fevicryl glue, and then it's ready. For my new videos,